Human childhood is unique. Few other mammals spend such a huge portion of their lives preparing for adulthood. To do so would be a costly waste of time. By the equivalent age in their lifespan, most mammals, like dogs, would already be reproducing. Not so with us humans. The timeline set by our DNA clock puts a delay on our sexual development to give us enough time for one thing: learning. It takes well over a decade to learn the complex skills we need to become adults and eventually parents ourselves. Throughout childhood, we are primed to learn. Our brain is a mass of 100 billion nerve cells called neurons. Between them, they generate enough electricity to keep a light bulb burning for a day. The neurons communicate using electric impulses. Each impulse is a tiny fraction of a thought and memory. When we hear a new word, our ears convert the sound into electrical impulses in our brain. The brain can learn because the connections between the brain cells, the neurons, aren't permanent. The brain rewires itself. The neurons send out tendrils, constantly forming new connections. Where they meet is a synapse. Chemicals called neurotransmitters bridge the gap to allow the impulse to continue the chain. The new connections form a pattern, a new memory. We learn by making new connections between brain cells and then reinforcing them through repetition. The stronger the reinforcement, the more likely the memory will stick.
What does the word veteran mean?
And when later someone asks us to recall that memory, the same pattern of brain cells fires. And we remember the answer.
Miss.
Because the brain grows quickly in childhood, millions of new connections are being made all the time, making this the perfect time to learn.